Hello boys and girls, this is my first video on how to set up your Sterling Trader, and as I'm using a demo account, not everything that I do will work here, so I'll show you like how to do, but then on the demo account it's not really like it doesn't really work, so I'll show you guys. So first of all, I'll teach you how to set up your basic chart. Usually you go here. You see these little two candles, the blue and the red. You go here and you press. But as this is a demo, see, I have this trouble here. But usually you go here and you press these little candles. Okay, but in this case, let's go here. See, my my layout is very clean because I closed everything, so it's like we're starting from scratch. And I usually press here, but for now on a demo only works if you do this. Actions on this big chart, which is already here. Actions, new chart. So then, okay, see, there is this little one here. Let's say let's choose Apple, for example. Apple. Okay, so that's gonna be the chart we're gonna be working with. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, so let's see. Actions, new chart, view, grid lines. Grid lines, if you want, if you want to use like horizontal or vertical lines to make it more so you can visualize a little more, like for your own preferences. But I don't like to use that, so let's say no to this, and also for you, go away. Okay, so line, view, actions, charting, price lines, standard, candle, Renko, 3-line break, Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi, it's like everything is smoothed out, but it's more used for Forex actually. So I choose to keep candle, charting. Where is the candle? Standard, meaning candle. Okay, bar style, candlestick, standard, which is the bar chart. Actually, this is pretty good. I like bars too. This is thick bars. I don't like those very thin bars, but this is a thick bars. I like it. But let's go back to candlesticks. Candlesticks. You can choose, and the colors, of the bars. You choose if it's, blue and red, green and red. Background, if you want to do this gradient, so it's like, wow, it's blue and then it's dark blue, interesting. Or nothing like that. Background, uncheck gradient, keep it all like here, see, background, and then you choose more black, more red, more pink, or any color. So for me, black is the color. Okay, okay, so let's add volume. Okay, from here you see accumulative swing index. That's what's here already on the standard choice. But let's choose, there's a lot of things here. There's no Ichimoku cloud, if you guys like that, which is like considered one of the best indicators also for me, but it's not here. Maybe it's like it takes too much data and stuff, so it's not here. But let's go for volume, and then you see the plus sign. You press the plus sign. Okay, so it's already here. If you want to visualize, you know, super clear like that, wow, this is big cell volume, wow, big green volume. Up to you, but I don't need to see these things like too much like standing out in my eyes, so I just have to have an idea. So I make it a little smaller so I can see this is, you know, big volume on selling. I can see this is then it's, you know, growing volume on buying, so it's okay for me. And let's add, see, and you choose whatever you want here. Let's choose simple moving average and you do the plus, and then see Apple opened or high or low or last or volume based on open, high, last. Okay, but let's do this open. And in my case, I'll choose the, because as this is a daily chart, I'll choose the 50-day line, and then okay. Another thing, you go here on actions, link windows. You can link these windows to other charts, to market maker, to time and sales, to whatever. So anytime you press on a symbol, everything becomes related to that symbol. So let's just do for those two charts here. Link windows, start. So now you have a chain. See, you have a chain, and you can link that chain to other things. But in this case, we have only one other thing to link to. So let's go here and see when you see the chain moving. Okay, I was supposed to see the chain here. I don't know because if it's a demo version or not. So let's go here, link windows, start. Oh, nice. You see the chain, little chain here, and the little chain is also here. So click and click. Now they're linked. The chain was pressed here and the chain was pressed here. They're linked. So to make this chain disappear, so it's not like being used anymore, you did whatever you wanted to do, go back and then stop. So whatever you choose now for this chart, let's say this is, you see here, S&P 500. Let's say now I choose, oh, little problem here. Chart has stopped working. So do I press cancel? Oh no. Let's hope it's okay. Oh, big trouble. Okay, let's choose another chart. Very super fast. Okay. Apple, Bloom. Go back here. Now let's just see if it's linked. Let's just link again.